Hi, I'm Lucy Hendriks from the Fashion Workshop. In this video, I'll be focusing on trans-seasonal layering to help you transition your outfits from summer all the way through to the cooler months in order to bring your cost per wear down and give you the biggest bang for your fashion buck. The other added bonus of layering is that it creates vertical lines which lengthen and elongates the torso and breaks the body up into 3 slim slivers, which is ideal for minimising the tummy. For our first look, I'm focusing on the classic anorak. By layering it over a nautical-inspired fine knit jumper, relaxed fit jeans and sneakers, you create a relaxed and classic look for the weekend. The drawstring style creates the illusion of an hourglass shape whilst keeping you warm in the cooler months ahead. For our second look, I'm adding warmth and edge to a feminine floral dress by adding a streamlined puffer vest and ankle boots for a look that is both street cool and stylish. For our final look, I've toughened up a flirty handkerchief hem skirt with a military style denim jacket and ankle boots. The peplum style of the jacket adds a feminine edge, also defines the waist and balances curves both above and below the waist. It's a look that's a little bit country and a little bit rock and roll. Well, thanks for watching, and remember, at Katie's, you don't have to spend a fortune to look $1 million. See you next time.